Hello everyone. This is Amy with Simply Elizabeth Crafts, and I wanted to share with you my July club. This is a club that is mailed directly to you, and for the month of July, it is using the Filled with Sweetness bundle. So it's a stamp set, and then it also has dies. Club is $50, and that is whether you just join for 1 month or if you subscribe. Either way, it is $50. If you are subscribed for 6 months straight, though, for 6 consecutive months, you actually get a little gift bag from me worth of $25 in products. So it's definitely better to subscribe. But I wanted to show you Club for July. So again, it uses this. You can add on the bundle. So the bundle is not included in that $50, but you can add the bundle on for cost, which is these two together minus 10% for the bundle price, and then I pay the tax and the shipping on it. So you can add that, but what comes in your kit for July, it's going to be a full bolt of this Misty Moonlight checkered ribbon. You'll get a full pack of the Strawberry and Dots embellishments, and I love these. I love the colors. You will get a full pack of the 4x6 flip flaps, and you'll get a full pack of the Homemade Sweetness Designer Series paper. I keep forgetting what it's called. I want to call it the bundle. So you'll get a full pack of that. Then you will make 5 projects this month. Normally I do 6, but this month is a little different because there are some fun folds and some boxes, and then the last project I'll show you what that is. So this is one of the projects. It's a little box. You can put anything in here: candy, hand sanitizer, box tissues. This would be great for a teacher with schools starting soon. And then this card here is a little fun fold card. So you just open it up, and then literally it just folds out like this. So it's really kind of a cute, fun project. And then you've got 2 cards, just regular old normal cards that we usually make in a month. And then my favorite project is this little album here. So this is a recipe book album, and it is using the flip flaps to create. Every month, Club comes with a tutorial, a PDF tutorial, as well as it comes with a walkthrough video. I will walk you through step by step for this album book, but I wanted to let you know too that you will get 8 of these cards, these recipe cards, for you to insert into your little sleeves there. So and then there's some other little pieces inside that I'll walk through as well to show you how to put those together, because you know, if you want to add a picture to it or anything like that. So these are the 5 projects that you'll make for the month of July. And again, it uses that Filled with Sweetness. And this month it's about I think it's like $36 worth of products that you'll actually get. And again, Club is $50 a month, and you can either subscribe or you can just join for 1 month. If you like these projects, you can just do that. And all those links are in the description of this video. All right, everyone, thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.